Alright, Mad Brad here, Mad Brad's Customs. I don't have any of the stock tail lights for this Mach 1, but I did get these. They were practically brand new, looked like they'd never been installed. And I took out the LED ones, I guess that was in it. Let me see if I can show you these things. I didn't really like them, but that's just different strokes for different folks. But yeah, you know, you had a yellow light down at the bottom for your turn signal, and then you had some red, 3 red beams down, and they were like LEDs or whatever. But anyway, these here are like a darker tint, and they're not showing up on camera, but they're a darker tint and a lot darker red. I guess the lighting's doing that. But anyway, I cleaned up a little bit all around them and everything else and put them in and hooked them up and wired them up properly and correct. Let me know what your thoughts are. Comment, because these pull-offs over here, they're for sale. I'm going to hunt them down and see what they cost, and I'll sell them for about 50% of that. So if anybody wants some LED tail lights for their New Edge Mustang, comment in the comment section. Don't forget, it's so damn easy. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We need you. All right, Mad Brad Customs, we are